So, let me be blunt about liquid cooling. It doesn't fail where people think it does. Hi, I'm Jim Rose. It's not the chip, it's not the design, it's the connections. Every fitting, every joint is a potential failure point. And when you scale it across hundreds of racks, that risk doesn't grow linearly, it multiplies. That's where most projects fall apart. Not in theory, in execution. So we took that variable out. CoolTrain is pre-engineered valve train for direct chip cooling. It comes fully assembled, pressure tested, ISO cleaned, and pre-filled. It shows up ready to install. No building it piece by piece on site, no variation between installers, no guesswork. So you reduce connection points. You standardize deployment, you remove one of the biggest risks in liquid cooling. So yes, you get faster installs and less commissioning headaches, but that's not the real value. The real value is stability. Consistent flow, stable pressure, predictable performance across every rack. Because in liquid cooling, the question isn't does it work? It's does it work the same way everywhere over time? That's the gap most people miss. That's what CoolTrain is built to solve. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.